Okay, everyone, so in week three, let's take a look at the week three learning modules, and we will begin by looking at our objectives. Remember that objectives are the goals that we should have accomplished by the end of this week. So here you're going to conduct yourself appropriately during an interview. So we will learn about that, and then describe your unique skills and qualities. What makes you you? When we go to the presentation and resources, there's a video on a mock interview. So you'd click here, and then there's also an interview workbook if you download clicking on this arrow. And then I've included a few extra interviewing videos for you. This one is 5 things to know to get the job, and then this is how not to be nervous for your job interview. Sometimes that can be very stressful, meeting a new person and what questions are they going to ask me, and you really need this job, so you don't want to mess it up. So these 2 videos I found would be very helpful for you. Okay, and then if we go over to the activities for week 3, these are very easy activities for this week because it's about you, and no one knows you better than yourself. So the week 3 discussion is the unique you, and for the discussion, remember that I do expect you to write in complete sentences and check for spelling and grammar. Make sure that you give examples and just don't put I like to give back to the community. Give some examples. Tell me what is unique about you. That will help all of us understand you better, and also it will help you predetermine what you should say in an interview if you were asked that question. And to earn full participation points in the discussion, you do need to also respond to 2 of your peers. Remember, you cannot just say, I agree or I disagree. I do expect that you add a little something to the conversation in order to earn your full credit. And lastly, the week 3 activity, who are you? In this activity, there's going to be 3 questions that you need to respond to. And the very first question, there are several words that you're going to choose from. And I believe, let's see here, you're going to choose 10 of those words. So you'll see a box with a whole bunch of words, and you're going to pick 10 of those words that are your qualities. Right? And then for question number 2, you're going to identify 8 job-specific skills that you are very good at. Okay? And then lastly, the third question is strong traits. So you're going to just list a couple things there, and it's 3 to be exact, and there are some examples that are given. So again, this should be a very easy week for you because it's about you, and no one knows you better than yourself. All right, guys, make it a great week.